it's Gail with TradersHelpDesk, and in this video I'm actually going to short the British pound dollar at 1.3131. In other words, I do not believe it's going to be above 31.31 by 7 a.m. Now if you notice, we had almost a doji here. This is a perfect doji. This is almost a doji. So I'm shorting the market, and I talked so much I didn't get my price, so I'm changing it real quick. And now you can see that I'm actually in, and I'm short because I believe that price will be below 1.3131 by 7 a.m. Now with the binaries, it could actually be equal to, as long as it is not greater than, then I will make money. Now for those of you that like to use Fibonacci's, the retracement has been a 60% retracement. It actually came right to the 60% line and could not close above that line. It formed the doji at the 60% line. So this is an area where I expect it to at least come back to the pivot line. So I'm going to fast forward and we'll see what happens. Now as you can see, I already have my order ticket open, and what I'm looking at is to see how low this gets before expiration. If you notice up here in the upper right hand corner, we have almost 4 minutes until expiration. I personally don't like to always hold through expiration because this happens to be at a pivot line. It could very easily come up and move above 31.31. It's only about a 10 pip difference at the moment. The possibility of that happening in the next 3.5 minutes is pretty low, but it could happen, so I'm not willing to give back the profits I have made. And what I'm looking for is to see just how low the buy side gets. You can see it's at $9. Don't want to be locked in. I'm going to get out. Now I'm out of the position, and if you notice, all of these buys are at $9. Now in about 52 seconds you're going to be locked into that position, where if you have an order sitting there it will come out, but otherwise you would actually be locked into that position. If this had moved down an extra strike price, I probably would have stayed in it. But with it being so close to my strike price, there's only a 10 pip difference. I know the British pound, and if the market turns suddenly against me, I would not want to give back the profits that I have. So I locked them in, plain and simple.